Greetings of the day. We Akshat Sheel of Class 11 Science
Abhishek Yadav of Class 11 Science
and Saksham Rajput of Class 11 Science
are your broadcaster of the day and are present here to update about the happening that took place yesterday in the world. Today is 18th of November and the temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. Time for national news. In our first all-women team manages polling booth in Chhattisgarh's Raipur. Relief for whole Hero Motor Corp chairman in money laundry case, court staying proceedings. Rescue workers have drilled up 24 meters through the rubble to reach the workers trapped inside a Uttarakhand for over 120 hours. 8 women injured in a stone throwing near mosques in Haryana's Nuh. UGC released exam schedule in national eligibility test. Haryana law giving 75% quotas in private sectors struck down through High Court of Haryana. India's annual retail inflation eased by 4-month law for 4.87% in October but remained above the RBI's 4% target.
Time for international news. Rajnath Singh discusses defense ties with Vietnam, Indonesia counterparts. Kiran Rijiju to represent India at Maldivian President-elect's oath-taking. In meeting with Xi, Biden raises concerns over China human rights abuses. Finland closes 4 Russian border crossings to stop migrant influx. 1 killed, 3 injured in Russian strike on Ukraine town, 20 homes damaged. 6.7 magnitude earthquake shakes southern Philippines. More Myanmar troops enter Mizoram as rebels step up assault against Janta. Bangladesh to hold general election on January 7 and violent protests. Google expands Bard AI chatbot access to teenagers with focus on learning tools.
News from the sports arena. Uruguay ended Argentina's 14-match unbeaten streak with a 2-0 victory over the world champions in World Cup qualifiers on Thursday as Luis Diaz scored twice to fire Colombia to an emotional 2-1 win over Brazil. Hungary Slovakia reached Euro 2024. Novak Djokovic stayed on track for a record-breaking 7th ATP Finals title after Italy's Jannik Sinner beat Holger Rune. HS Pranoy loses in Japan Masters Indian Challenge ends.
That's all from us today. We will back tomorrow with a fresh update. This is Akshat Sheel
Abhishek Yadav
And Saksham Rajput.
signing out. Goodbye.